Welcome back to Techiexpert. I am Alisha Chandrakar. The Indian software SaaS industry had already been growing exponentially since last year, but Freshworks' public listing at NASDAQ has taken it all to another level. The company, which makes customer engagement software for businesses, was valued at a whopping $12.2 billion after it opened 21% above the initial offering price of $36 a piece. Freshworks sold 28.5 million common shares, hitting an intraday high of $48.75 on September 22. Freshworks was founded over a decade ago by Girish Mathrubootham and Shan Krishnasamy. Both the co-founders were former employees of Zoho Corp, which too is one of the biggest SaaS companies in India. Both Zoho Corp and Freshworks are rivals and the biggest players in this industry. Freshworks has raised one funding round every year since 2011. There was a year-long break in 2017 when the SaaS firm did not raise any capital. Freshworks and Zoho's rivalry took a serious turn in 2021 when Zoho filed a lawsuit alleging that Freshworks stole confidential information and built a business out of it. Wembo-led company has also accused Freshworks of poaching its employees and customers. The battle is still ongoing. According to a report by investment firm Charity Ventures and consulting firm Zinnov last month, the Indian SaaS segment has the potential to clock a total turnover of $75 billion by 2025. Companies like Zoho, Freshworks, and others are expected to be at the forefront of it. Freshworks was the first Indian SaaS company to achieve $1 billion valuation in 2019. A year later, the company closed another round at a valuation of $3.5 billion. It is backed by some of the prominent investors across the globe, like Sequoia Capital, Tiger Global, Accel Studio, Capital G, and many more. The company raised another $1 billion through its public issue. Its valuation also increased over 3 times to $12.2 billion. The SaaS giant has acquired 13 companies to date, including Answer IQ, Flint, Canvas Flip, Natero, and Zargat, among others. I feel like an Indian athlete who has won a gold medal at the Olympics. We are showing the world what a global product company from India can achieve, Mathrubootham said in an interaction. He further claimed that the Freshworks IPO has made 500 crores in India, 70 of which are under 30. Freshworks' profit margin of over 79% is considered as a major strength among SaaS startups and quite rare for an IT startup. Analysts expect the company to improve this further by trimming advertising and promotion costs, which currently accounts for 54% of total revenue through sales. This needs to be optimized despite the fact that free cash flow has almost tripled in the first 6 months in 2021. Year-on-year, Indian startups take on giants given the high competition in this space. Freshworks has outlined some of the challenges that it will face in the near future. Primary among the risks is the fact that the company may not be able to attract new customers, convert customers to paid subscription, or upsell the usage of product among its customer base. Freshworks compete with giants such as Salesforce, Zendesk, Oracle, SAP, and others that have massive scales and financial wherewithal to sustain a pitch battle with Freshworks. They also hold pricing power, which could sway much of the new businesses that have been attracted by Freshworks in the medium term. Of course, now Freshworks is very much seen as a Silicon Valley eternity by the tech world at large. But Mathrubootam's quote is a reminder that it's still Indian at the heart. And that is arguably why we are most excited about the Freshworks IPO. There's no doubt that the Indian startups that are going for an IPO in India will certainly be a litmus test of the public listing ability of Indian tech companies. The Freshworks IPO represents the global ambitions of the Indian startups ecosystem, and its potential success will once again shine a light on Indian startups and is likely to boost the perception of Indian tech. Mathrubootham has declared in the past that one of his ideals of Indian film superstar Rajnikant, and even the Freshworks IPO plan was inspired by the actor and code-named Project Superstar. And just like Rajni's film, They hope the IPO makes a debut with a bang. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest and other social media platforms. I'm Alisha and thank you for watching.